You can see the beautiful siding that has changed the back of the home. When I showed up here originally to talk to the homeowner about their problems, one of the things that he noted was that the back of the house had shown a lot of signs of water and moisture infiltration. And that was something that he really wanted taken care of. So what we did is we came, and this had all been previously stucco, and we came and we removed all of that, and we found very, very large amounts of rot and even mold issues that we had to take care of. One of the things that the homeowner did not want again was to put stucco back on. And so what we did is we looked at this product called Everlast siding, and we used that instead. Now, before we could even put the siding on though, we had to make sure that we were managing the moisture properly so that the same thing didn't happen again. And so what we did is, before the siding went on, we used a house wrap, and we taped all around the windows, and we taped all of our joints to make sure that no moisture is going to be getting in behind the siding. This siding looks really, really good. It looks like wood. So that's what we did on the back here in order to make sure that everything was tight, to make sure that we don't have any moisture infiltration, and to give it a totally different look, and one that's really updated for the homeowner as well. They really like this siding, and it looks good on a variety of different homes as well.